What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and if you're returning, welcome back. I finally got the chance to bring this little 1S flyer out here from Arris. This is the Arris X80, and also I wanted to test out this GnB battery, 450 milliamp hour 1S battery from Crazepony-Power. And so, perfect time to check out this thing. You want to have a look at it, line of sight. And this thing does not have OSD or a buzzer, so a little disappointing about that. A little disappointed about that, not having a buzzer or OSD. So pretty much you have to fly with a timer with this thing, but it seems to fly pretty well indoors. This is my first outdoor flight with it. It's very quiet too. Check out how quiet this thing is. You can hardly even hear it. So really quiet. Let me show you guys a punch out. So really nice punch out for a 1S flyer. Let's look at it again. We're in acro mode. This thing actually has enough power to do power loops. So some people were complaining about this being a little costly, and so the way it flies, I don't know if it might be worth it. This thing seems to fly really nice. Has a bunch of power. The only thing I don't like is the lack of OSD and the lack of a buzzer. But everything else is really nice with this. Oh, there's something else too that I didn't like. The screws on it. I was unable to get all of the screws out of the bottom that hold the motors in order to try it with the prop guards on. So I really haven't flown it to its fullest indoors, but I'm pretty sure to be pretty nice because it has power. Seems like it has enough power to easily carry the prop guards there. And with these props on it, it's really quiet. You can barely hear this thing. Check it out. We're up close to it, and you still can barely hear the thing. Even on the punch out, it's quiet. Can handle, and it's so light, it's not hard to recover from the power loops that it does. So really awesome flyer. So I guess that's three things: no buzzer, no OSD, really hard. Well, it might have just been me and my tools, but it seems like no matter what size screwdriver I tried, I have a whole bunch of different screwdrivers too. You know, coming with all these little RC models, you get a whole bunch of different sizes of tiny screwdrivers and stuff, and none of them seem to really get in there and get them out. Some of them, I think I actually stripped trying to get them out. I was able to get a few of them out, but not all of them. And so now I think this thing is stuck in this mode without the prop guards on it. So I just put it in angle mode now, so you guys can see that it doesn't really drift or anything. That's my yaw rate I got on it. Let's see how fast it gets. And this is in angle mode. Pretty decent flight time too. But you have to be careful because it'll just fall because of the lack of a buzzer or OSD. So this thing is pretty fast, really quiet. Does acro nice and everything. It is S-bus. so you don't have to worry about the response time of ppm. Really awesome little flyer. The Arris X80, and this seems to be a really nice battery for it. It likes this battery, the GnB 450 milliamp hour 1S battery from Crazepony-Power. Thanks for watching.